Hello guys, today I'm going to tell you about that Celestia token. Now before we start the video, let's say my legal disclaimer. This video is only for educational purpose. Do your own research for the investing. According to the white paper, Celestia TIA is a pioneering modular blockchain network designed as a foundational data availability layer, enabling other blockchains to scale efficiently by separating consensus from execution. Modular architecture, it redefines blockchain design by decoupling data availability and consensus from transaction execution. Unlike monolithic chains like Ethereum, data availability layer, its core function is to securely and scalably store and prove data for rollups and layer 2 networks. Developer sovereignty, it allows developers to deploy custom blockchains that inherit Celestia security without being constrained by its execution environment. Celestia project institution rating is 4.2. Celestia token total supply is around 1.16 billion and circulating supply is around 905.29 million TIA token. TIA token is listed on popular centralized exchanges like Binance, Coinbase, OKX, and other centralized exchanges. If I share my opinion with you, then this project up to 95% chance is that it is a legit or good project. So guys, don't take my opinion as a financial advice. Do your own research for the investing. Thanks for watching.